Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
A few showers and storms earlier today provided some pretty cool shots as well. This shot coming from Castlewood, from Dolly. Look at some of the sun rays illuminating the back of that little cloud there in the Castlewood area. Now our rainfall has decreased. No rain across the area right now. What we have showing up here on Maxwell radar is what we call ground clutter. This is not actually rainfall, but areas where the radar beam is going up, hitting an inversion in the atmosphere, and then bouncing back down. Sometimes that inversion creates a little bit of fog as well. And we expect a little bit through the overnight with some partly cloudy to mostly clear skies and temperatures that drop down into the low to mid 60s. A pretty comfy night across the region as these temperatures that were in the 90s fall into the 60s. Maybe a good night to open the window and get a little bit of fresh air in the house. This afternoon, though, you probably didn't want to open any door or windows. Keep all that AC inside as our highs reached up into the lower 90s across the region. Our average high is around 84. We were up to 92 today. In the Tri-Cities, our record was 94 degrees. No rainfall at the airport. So for the month, that puts us at 3.2 inches, although some spots around the area did pick up a little bit of rainfall at times. Now, as we go through the overnight, expecting mostly clear conditions into tomorrow morning, the same. Then as we head in the afternoon, a few spotty showers or an isolated shower or thunderstorm popping up across the region. Nothing too widespread. We'll only put about a 20% chance for rain on the forecast for tomorrow, but we could see one or two stray showers move across the landscape. Then into the overnight hours, skies once again clear, and temperatures drop down into the mid-60s Monday night. Tomorrow afternoon, the word that sums it all up is hot. It's going to be hot, steamy, and sticky outside with temperatures in the lower 90s, temperatures upper 80s in some of our regions, like Lebanon coming in at 89, same in Duffield, have at 92 for Kingsport, Bristol, and Johnson City around that, 81 in Jefferson, 82 in Boone, 87 in Mountain City with a 20% chance for a stray shower or storm, and some upper 80s towards Norton, Clintwood, Grundy, and also in the Jonesville area on Monday afternoon. Now, a quick check of the tropics. It's been a busy day in the tropics, and we do have this little disturbance. This is Tropical Depression number 8, which isn't really looking too healthy tonight. This is actually a tropical depression, believe it or not, officially classified by the Hurricane Center, but really very little cloud cover, very little thunderstorm activity associated with this, so it is not looking too healthy, but it is expected to move towards the North Carolina coastline and kind of brush the coast over the next couple of days with a little bit of erosion, winds, and a little bit of rainfall. Now, what is looking very healthy, this is Hurricane Gaston out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. This is a Category 3 hurricane with 120-mile-per-hour sustained winds with that system. Thankfully, not moving anywhere close to land, but something that is a little closer to land and closer to home is Tropical Depression 9, located south of Key West. It's the disturbance we've been talking about over the past couple of days, and the reason it's down there is we've had an area of high pressure over us. That's been keeping us hot and dry for the most part. Notice a little bit of a weakness developing late in the week, though. That causes some cooler temperatures to move in here locally and causes the disturbance to move off to the north and east. So we'll keep an eye on this. We do expect it to kind of move off the southeast coastline, not have a huge impact on our weather, but it's something we'll be keeping an eye on here between all of our weather team members over the next, say, 7 or 6 days as it gets closer towards the weekend. Otherwise, temperatures around here are staying nice and hot, up in the lower 90s to upper 80s over the next 7 days with a slight chance of rain.
Enjoy the heat while you can. What'd you say, 16 weeks?
16 weeks till Christmas.
But who knows, because last Christmas it was like 70s
That's
or
true.
something,
We were warm
right?
in December, and we didn't have our first inch of snow till January, so hey.
It could be warm for a while.
Could be.
All right, thanks for